ladies and gentlemen, I have always wondered that when a newborn is given a name, Namkaran, does the name also indicate the infant's future? Is something inherent in that name? देखिए, एक नाम जहन में आ रहा है, फारसी नाम है, it's a Persian name. उसका अर्थ है बेहतरीन से भी बेहतर, better than the best. It also means something that touches the sky. The Persian name is Zubin. That's just a name. But Zubin Garg means the person for whom sky is not the limit. There is not a department of music he has not mastered. Singer, songwriter, composer, producer, actor, director, screenwriter, poet, and a philanthropist. Although he is actually also accused of spreading heart-throbo ties among his millions of fans. Ladies and gentlemen, one of the names Assam today is known by the world over, Zubin Garg. एक हिंदी कवि ने